Do you struggle to find the right color balance for your website project? If so, sifting through color charts may not be your preference. In that case, I recommend exploring Color Lovers with the UK spelling of color. This website offers over 1 million color palettes to choose from, aiding you in creating both complementary and consistent color schemes. To get started, head to colorlovers.com, navigate to the Browse section, and select Palettes.
Once on the page, scroll down to view some of the latest palette combinations available. Click on a selected color palette to access more detailed information, including the hexadecimal values for each color. For quick use of these colors, you can employ the Colorzilla eyedropper tool to copy the selected color to your clipboard for seamless integration into your new website design.
Furthermore, there is a built-in search feature that allows you to search for palettes or patterns, which can be particularly handy if you already have specific ideas in mind. Color Lovers operates with advertisements, but is completely free for you to use. Enjoy exploring the vast array of color palettes on Color Lovers to enhance your website design process.